Hello, today I will be explaining my second lab in Physics 2211. For my second lab, I had to observe the motion of an object that is dropped from rest and falls somewhat slowly. The object had to fall somewhat slowly in order to analyze the drag force. The drag force is the force that goes in the opposite direction of the force of gravity. The drag force causes an object to reach terminal velocity, meaning that the drag force will equal the force of gravity in the opposite direction, meaning the net force will be zero and the object will be falling with constant velocity. For my object, I chose a mask and dropped it here in this video. After recording the video, I used the program called Tracker to acquire data points of time versus position in the negative y direction. And with those data points, I put it into the spreadsheet shown here in the yellow dots. After finding the experimental data, I created a program with the force of gravity only affecting the object, should be shown here, and then a program with force of gravity and drag affecting the object. B on here in line 56 is the coefficient of drag. Mine was 0.0259, and the drag force would be equal to B times the magnitude of the ball's velocity squared times j hat being the direction, which is in the positive y direction because it is going against gravity, which is in the negative y direction. If we run this program, we see the force of gravity in negative y and the drag force in the positive y. And here we can see that velocity is decreasing exponentially until it reaches a point of negative 1.38, meaning that is the terminal velocity. If we run the program with just the force of gravity, we see just the force of gravity pointing down, and the velocity versus time graph is decreasing, meaning that acceleration is always present, acceleration being negative 9.8 meters per second squared. If the object were to be thrown down, the terminal velocity will still be the same of negative 1.38, except it would just reach it quicker. So the graph would look similar, just maybe a bit more exaggerated. However, terminal velocity will always be negative 1.38 for this object. That is my second lab report in Physics 2211. Thank you.